sometimes because they hide the taxes, a lot of people don't catch on to it quickly. In the original budget that they brought, there were some of the taxes that they didn't even capture under revenue measures. They use English to just say that they will extend the sunset clause. If there's no tax between 2026, 2027, and 2028, and you impose a new tax 2026, 2027, 2028, it's a new tax that you have introduced. But they will use English to wrap it that they have extended the sunset clause. And if you don't, may I say, open your eye properly, you won't see it. So let me just give you a list of the about 8 taxes that they have introduced in 6 months. If you add the tariffs, you will get to about 10. If you add the increases in tariffs, it will be about 10. But I just want to hit on the 8 actual taxes they brought. There's a 2% growth and sustainability levy on the gross production of the mining companies. Now you've seen the Chamber of Mines strengthening their advocacy against it. You remember in March, we cautioned the government about it. Then there's a special import levy of 2% on cost, insurance, and freight value of certain goods. Number 3 is the 15% VAT on non-life insurance premiums. Number 4 is the growth and sustainability levy introduced for 2026, 2027, and 2028. But they've done it now and have hidden it. They called it an extension of the sunset clause. If you don't open your eyes, you won't know that it's a new tax that they have introduced. Then there's a special import levy introduced for 2026, 2027, and 2028. That's the one that when they even brought to the floor, Dr. Amin, if you recall, Adongo tried to say that it should be extended into perpetuity. Yes. And the minority caught onto it and drew their attention. That's a new tax that they've introduced. Then they brought, before we rose the last time, they brought the energy sector shortfall and debt repayment levy of 1.95 for petrol and naphtha, and then 1.93 for diesel. I'm sure you recall that one. Then number 7 was when they brought the 8% levy on petroleum products, and again tried to hide it by saying that it's only 1 Ghana cedi per liter, and you know you don't buy 1 liter. It's 8%, and that's why Dr. Amin said you have noticed that fuel prices have gone up by how much? 8%. And then on the day the minister read the review, again in the middle of the night, they brought the fishing levy, what the minister described as the fishing levy. That is 8 taxes so far. And our recommendation on it is that these taxes are rather going to translate into inflation down the line. There will be a lagged effect, but it will translate into inflation. If you don't believe us, follow what the Bank of Ghana is saying. The Bank of Ghana is warning that these taxes will contribute to inflationary pressures. But we have already advised. We have said that as a patriotic opposition, where we should give recommendations, we will. In the beginning of the year, when we did it, they rejected it. Mid-year, we've made these recommendations as well. Colleagues, we thank you. All the best.
Citizen TV, Accra, Ghana. Citizen TV, the citizen's power.